Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create community group in WhatsApp Business, and is it possible? Well, the reason why it's important to have a community on your WhatsApp is because WhatsApp communities unite users into topic-based groups. Anybody may start a community on WhatsApp. You can join already existing WhatsApp groups or start new ones depending on topics. By sending announcement, community administrators can inform members of significant updates. So basically, what you're going to do here on your WhatsApp, if you can create or if you want to create a community, is the same thing with your WhatsApp account. You just have to go to chats and then you have to locate community. However, if you go to your WhatsApp business or if you're using your WhatsApp business, if you go to chats, go to communities, then this is what it looks like. So basically, if you create a community on your WhatsApp account, you can create or up to 100 groups can be added to a WhatsApp community. Your community will instantly have community announcements made for it. Community admins can use this area to message every member of the community. But currently, and as of the moment, unfortunately, the WhatsApp Business app does not allow you to build communities. Not now, but maybe soon. So you just have to wait till it's available in your country, in your location. But as of the moment, it's not. This is not to mislead you or to give you false information. This is just to show you that in case or sooner, if it's available in WhatsApp Business, it would be the same process. Go to chats, communities, and then create a community. And that's it. So if you have any suggestions or topics that you want us to create for tutorials, please do comment down below. Please do like and subscribe to our channel, and see you again in our next video tutorials.